What's up, guys? Richard with PDR Talk. Today I'm reviewing the mini pirate hook from Stanliner Tools. So this was the first tool I bought from Stanliner. Very unique shape, and I actually used it the other day. First time I had a GTR dent on the quarter panel right near that wheel lip. Did not want. I originally wanted to remove the taillight, but that involved taking off that giant bumper cover. Did not want to do that, so pulled back the liner and managed to slide this thing through the hole, and it just gave me the perfect angle to get back there and slowly work out the small crease. The idea with this is it's a totally different technique. Okay, this, you put contact on a crease right here and apply pressure, and then you use a rocking technique to rock back and forth. Instead of pick little points, you're using that wide footprint to just kind of walk out the dent. Now, this thing's cool. It's got multiple things you can hit the dent with, so you can do that, like I said, or so you can start out the crease, and if you want to stitch it up a little bit, you flip it over. You've got a more precise point for connecting the dots. And then I think you could probably also use this as a slapping technique, or maybe even prying, but I haven't done a ton of work with this, but the one time I did use it, I needed it. I don't think I could have fixed that GTR without anything else. So Stanliner Tools, check them out.